Are you live
Femi, we're
now?
live. Yes, we're live.
Welcome. Well, welcome. Okay, welcome to Is Enough Soros, Better Nigeria Soros. Okay, we're now at the um, Igbo Cultural and Traditional
Igbo
Festival.
Festival of Arts and Culture. Festival
Oh, yeah,
of Arts and
yeah,
Culture.
that's the one in Enfield, North London.
Yes.
And it's a roadblock. They've blocked the whole of the roads here, so that's caused us to come in a bit late. Although that's not the complete excuse for us being late. But yeah, we're gonna have problems parking, but we're gonna get parking. Lady Marlene is already on site, so she's gonna see what's going on, and then we're gonna
Yes,
be
I
able to
am.
go. Yeah, when you get in there, you'll see that each of the different communities, the Igbo communities, have their own canopy, and they also have their own masquerade. So people will be wearing their uniforms and wearing them and displaying their masquerade, and they'll be going around. So you're gonna have the music, the flutes, the drumming, the dancing.
It is so, it is huge and fantastic here. I want to tell you,
Fantastic.
today is this is the 10th anniversary of
Okay,
IFAC, which is the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, United Kingdom.
okay.
10
First
years.
Saturday the 12th, Saturday
Yes,
the
and
12th of July.
this is the first time I'm coming here. So I
Okay.
said I must come today because each time they're doing this, I'm either in Nigeria or I'm in the United States. But this time around, I'm in UK and I'm here present. So, Femi, okay, we're looking forward for you to come and
Yes.
cover this beautiful event. It is so beautiful.
Yes.
Yes,
As soon as I can find somewhere to park, I'll be right there.
yes, and there are so many communities, different communities.
Okay. And I hope you can tell me. You can also show me which is the best food. Who cooks the best food? So we'll go to the different communities to find out which is the best Igbo food.
You can see there are so many beautiful people here, different Igbo communities, villages. My community is here too.
What is
And
your
you can,
community?
oh, it is. My community is, let me start with the Abia State Union. Abia
Okay.
State Union.
Okay.
And then we have, Femi, you need to be here. It is
I am
huge.
coming. I'm coming.
It is huge. It's
I
even
know.
difficult. It's difficult to find people here, locate people here, locate your community. I came as to represent the Igbo Women Ambassadors,
Okay.
and we
So
are here fully
tell us your
represented.
community in Abia State. Who's your community in Abia State?
Femi, you still haven't gotten a parking yet?
No, the cars aren't moving.
Oh,
Nah, nah, so I don't block all the roads. Huh?
I'm just going to stand in a corner and wait for you because
Okay.
I can't log into two cameras.
Okay, I understand. I
I can't log
understand.
into two cameras. Yeah,
All
and
right, no problem.
the one that I okay now. I see the Imo State Union. You see the Imo
Okay.
State Union.
Okay.
Those are the Imo State Union. Femi, did you see the flag? The flag you dreaded. Did you see it?
But you know it's gonna be there. I told you.
Femi, but I must say this is well organized though.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be this organized. It is
Yeah,
well
but
organized.
this is the 10th year anniversary.
Every community on their test.
maybe you want to interview anybody that you see there. Oh, it looks like we've lost Lady Marlene. Maybe her reception. I know last year there was bad reception on the park, but hopefully this year we'll have good reception. Yes, I'm seeing so many people in their different outfits. Mm-hmm. Yeah, her reception is she's out of sync. Yes, so we're still stuck in traffic here in Enfield, trying to find our way to the Igbo Arts and Culture Festival 2025. This is the 10th anniversary, and it looks, from what I can see, I'm actually facing the park. I can see that it looks most probably that the attendance this year is going to be more than what was happening last year, so that's a good thing. Yes, I should have recollected that last year. Last year we had, yeah, hi. My Lady Marlene, your reception is cut off again.
Femi, the service is really bad. I don't know
Yeah,
how long it's going
no,
to take
you know,
you to get in here.
I told you that's what happened last year. The reception in that park is not so good.
Yeah. So do you have an idea? You don't have an idea, no?
I haven't.
You know what I can do? What I'm thinking of doing, let me do a
Yeah.
Facebook live with my camera.
I'm sure it won't have feedback.
Facebook live with my camera. See what I can capture.
All right.
If I can capture anything, yeah.
Yeah, we're still stuck in traffic whilst we're trying to get to this event. See so many people in Asiago. Yeah, last year I had some nice food there, so I haven't eaten today, so I'm hoping to get some good food as well. So whilst we're waiting for that, we just want to encourage everybody to embrace their culture and tradition and their arts of their various communities in Nigeria. Today, it's the Igbo community of London that are doing their thing. So you've got people coming in from London, Manchester, Birmingham, Milton Keynes, all over London to come and represent their community at the annual event here in Enfield, North London. I think even some people have come from Nigeria too to represent. So yes, it's a wonderful thing, and it's good. It just shows the diversity of our culture and our country, and how we celebrate our unity in diversity. I think that comes from the new national anthem. No, our tongues make difference, something like that. And, you know, till date, I don't even know the new national anthem of it. I think that's something I'm going to have to learn. I still remember the rise of compatriots. So that's something I'm gonna have to do because when we go to watch Nigerian matches there, there's just a complete silence when the national anthem comes on because we don't know the new one. I think what you'll find is that all the people grew up in the 60s, 70s, and 50s, all the old folks, if you like, the best wasn't in Nigeria at that time, they know that the national anthem is still known. So if they ever bring back the new anthem, then you can have another generation of people who know that one because I'm sure they've stopped singing this new deal when the schools now. Yeah, so Lady Marley was talking about the flag that was flying at the festival. I'm sure you know which flag I'm talking about. That's the Biafran flag. So whilst we're celebrating Igbo arts and culture, you're going to see a lot of celebration of Biafra. And I'm sure there'll be people saying let's free Nnamdi Kanu. So we have freedom of speech, freedom of association. You can say whatever you like in this country when it comes to things like that. But I'm sure the people who are, as I said, the Palestinian action, they've been prescribed as a terrorist group now. So if you carry the Hamas flag, Hezbollah flag, or Palestinian action flag out now, you're going to be arrested and prosecuted. Sounds like a kind of double standard, isn't it? But anyway, in any case, we want equity, fairness, and justice for everybody, and we don't want massacres and we don't want genocide for anybody. I'm sure even today they will be talking about remembering the lives of the millions that died in our unfortunate civil war. That's something that most of the people here will have relatives who would have died during that horrible, disastrous war. And we hope that Nigeria never ever comes back to that and that we're moving forward. Despite all the so-called herdsmen killing and banditry and kidnapping. It's quite difficult being a Nigerian in Nigeria right now. We have to ask ourselves that question, don't the Nigerians stop killing themselves? Anyway, let's not do too much politics today. We're talking about the Arts and Festival, Culture Festival 2025. We're going to have on display different elements of the culture, music, arts, traditional wears, and also the food. And the language as well, because different communities have different dialects of the language. Sure, I think last time I was there was the Ghanaian community also had their stand as well. So they would go out in a march past, they dance around, they present their masquerades for the different communities. And then they get a trophy for who was the best dressed, the best danced, and the best presented community. I don't know, Lady Marley should be there now. I don't know if she's still got reception. The traffic here is standstill. That's what happens when you come late to an Igbo festival. You can't find anywhere to park. So the temperature in London right now is 31 degrees. So it's quite warm. I've got the AC on, but my AC is a bit too cold, so I can turn it down. I really enjoy the heat. When the heat comes out, you see everybody come out in the UK. They're barely dressed. I'm wearing my Ishiagu. And today, although my name is Femi Oke, but today my name will be Femi Okechukwu. So, yes, and I have to go and brush up on my Igbo We post this so that should be free and to get the car park in the park itself is for. Yeah, that's good. So you can share, post and ask questions and comments on Facebook and X handles as Prime Television .com. And of course, if you've got any festivals that are coming, you can also get in touch with us at Primeview Television, or you can contact us on our contact number +44 7939 895 108 +44 7939 895 108, and then we will get in touch and see if we can feature your program festival program streaming live. Yes, as I said, once you pass this roundabout here, the traffic is free. Let's see if I can go straight above because I'm not going to go get the way. See, look at that's the traffic there. You can see everybody's like a roadblock trying to get through to the event. And if you look beyond this roundabout, there's no traffic. And that's the entrance to the park just there. See, make the road clear. Yeah, working here is a thankless task trying to direct the traffic. Mm. Let's go now. Okay, let's see if we can get past this point now. I know. Thank you. Okay, we passed that. So from here on, we can look for anywhere to park as the zone ends. Last time I parked up somewhere around here and had to walk a fair distance down. See for any where to park. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to know what's happening in Nigeria right now with the developments, lots of things happening politically wise, but we'll talk that in our next show. Our next show is going to be about the politics of hunger and poverty that people are crying about right now, and what are the causes of it, and how can we get ourselves out of it? Yeah, that's going to be a very interesting topic. Mhm. Push-ups. This is where I think I parked just beyond here last year. So if I'm going to be lucky. Uh, uh, that's probably it. I got cameras. Parking a double yellow, you're done. It is single yellow. You can park on a single yellow, can't you? Hmm. So dead end. Let's go around. So many cameras around here. Okay, I can find somewhere to park here. I just walk down. Let's park here. Okay, let's park here. Okay. All right. We're ready to go. We're ready to rock and roll. I can hear the music. See the road. They always choose a good day for this event. The music. Oh my God, so many people got tickets. I expected. Okay, we're in now. Let's see if we can find Lady Marley. That's the blessing.
As you can see, festivals in full effect. Let's go. See what I'm saying? There we go. This is what we're seeing. This is celebration of art and culture. Last year, we've got a load of people show you around. So we start from this corner, go around. Oh, there's the big masquerade over there in the corner. Thank you, sir, for arriving. That was a nice one. Can you tell me which state you're from? Sorry, which state?
That's what I'm not
Which state? And what's the name of the community? Nice to see you. Are you the queen of Amodia? Find out what number this one is. I think that's first number 42. Ready? Are you ready? Ready? One more. Ready? Hello. How you enjoying the day so far? How are you enjoying the day so far? Oh, so you don't get feedback? So, Marlene, how are you finding it?
It's alright. It's not the first time you tell me.
Do you think that Peter Obi is going to come today?
This is not political.
Well, is he not an able man? He's come to celebrate with people. So we don't talk to them as they're passing. Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? Are you enjoying the day? Fantastic. What community is this? Osumerian community. Which state? Anambra. Are you the number one community?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see whether you get title today. Right? So you're all looking beautiful. Nice to see you. So, it's okay now. Yes, I spoke to her. So make her do.
My this one is coming.
So let me see. I see all the women, I don't see where they hold their business.
It's just still on.
This is Abiriba. Nice to see you. They're all looking fantastic. This is the 10th people ask the festival, how are you finding it? It's very exceptional. There's a big attendance and it's better than last year. I'm so proud of all of you. Definitely. Fantastic. What community are you representing? Abuja. In which state? Yes, I saw it. Abuja. Abia State. Which is the number 1 state? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fantastic. You guys are representing Enugu State. Yeah. Fantastic. You're doing well. I hope you win something this year. You won last year. That's why I'm saying this year. Okay. Okay, I agree with you. Well done, man. Sorry. None, how are you, sir? Very well, sir. Fantastic. Yes, sir. And how is everything going with you this year? Yes, okay. I know you go for Thank you very much. I wish you guys all the best. Are you going to win anything this year? Sorry, sir. Are you guys going to win when you go around? We hope to. Of course. I wish you well. Any other group will be better than us. Amen. We hope that 9-1 is number 1. We are full of, you've got to push back. You've got to push back. Hold on. That's where I grew up. I think I need to give them the mic, isn't it? Get the mic. Yeah, because we can't hear it. That's all the truth. Association. This is the Oral Life Community Association. Oral Life. Television. Yes, it's live. So we're covering the event. And you're from Ikano. Okay, that's in Enugu State. Yes. Are you the number one community in Enugu? Yeah. Fantastic. How are you finding the event this year? Fantastic. But now, as you're having this annual event in London now, how do you find it? What do you think of the event now? Beautiful. Yes? Beautiful. Fantastic. It's fantastic. Absolutely. I'm very proud of you. I'm proud of the song very well. 10 years. 10 years now. So next year, we'll be better than this. Sure. But we want to see all your sons and daughters. Don't see all of them. Well, some of them are here, and UK being what it is. Some of them are working and working on the other bit. I'm sure that as time goes on, the next generation is involved in the culture and the arts. Yes. Well done, sir. Yes. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, hello, brother. So far. Hello, sir. Hello. You're nice. This community are you representing this man down for? What's Spencer's one again? Hello, sir. We're from Prime TV. This is Aguilera. Okay, good, so good. You guys are doing well. I like your outfit. How are you finding the atmosphere? I'm so well, all the children of So tell me one thing about Aguilera. Anyone who wants to know about Aguilera, tell us. Is the head of the people. I Aguilera, no, the first. No, it's the first son of God. God, son of is the last one of God. It's a very spiritual man. We believe in Aguilera. All the Aguilera, any evil king is called in Aguilera. Any evil king is down in Aguilera. So that's the photo of your yes. Aguilera is real God. Aguilera is son of God. Nobody is son of God. So if you come to Aguilera, it's called the God. Then you become son of God. Nobody is son of God. God is the son of Jacob. When I go to Aguilera, I'm going to look at that. You go to Aguilera, you go to Aguilera too is where other Reverend Father is from. What's your position? My position is Demba Aguilera. What does that mean? Demba Aguilera is a shepherd's life held by Aguilera. That's not everybody. I'm the police person. You don't have the police person. I police Demba Aguilera. I'm one of the organizers of Aguilera. What's the name? My name is Emeka Ugego. Demba Aguilera. That's nice to see you. Hello, sir. We're doing this live streaming of this 10th Igbo Arts and Culture Festival. So, what's your name and where you representing? My name is Oh my God. Yes, tell us. We'll start with Asian king. The king. At the moment, it's the best to understand. How can you understand this has got some very important tradition that will help years. One of my superiors is Samuel. I Hello, how are you? What's your community? Anambra State Union. Okay, you're representing your state. Okay, well, where are you from in Anambra? Okay. Okay, fantastic. How are you enjoying today? Were you here last year? I was here last year. Yes, it's fantastic. And it's so impressive. I think there's like double the number of people. It's fantastic. I would like to have you looking fantastic. Hello, sir. Hello. How are you? Good. How are you? You're representing Anambra State Union, are you? Yes. You're live on Prime TV. Oh, wonderful. How are you finding the event this year?
This is really glorious. How we do that? One of the most precious because it's really nice, warm, and beautiful.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Lisa. Doctor Afro Spencer.
Community are you from exactly?
I'm from Okija, Anambra State.
This year, as your community, are you going to go around and start?
Yeah, Anambra State Union is about to
go around. We'll see you around. And did you bring your masquerade this year?
No, our masquerade is still sleeping. It's still here. It will come up.
Next year, it's stay and it's next up, yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, that's the sir. Okay, you too, sir. So tell us your name and okay. And are you from the same state as well? Are the same community? What's your community? Okay. Fantastic. You're looking well. Everybody knows you. Everybody knows that yes. You're looking well. And I've been here every year. We want to make sure that by the time you come every year, it's going to be like a big carnival. Yes. You understand? Already trying to get here in the daytime, the road is blocked. Yes. It's so difficult. I want to become like the one we do next year. Yes. Okay. So it will be very, very good. I will help everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're live on We have this. We need to give you something. You're supposed to give us blessing now. You're supposed to be giving us blessing. I'm a servant of tradition. I'm a servant of people tradition and culture. That's what bless us there for. What is the reference? I'm not evil, but you can speak it what you want. Introduce yourself, sir. Oh yeah, now. Handle up now. Handle up. I'm gonna go doctor. Fantastic. And tell me, have you been coming to this event every year? Yes. Fantastic. That's for the past 5 years. This is the kind of the preparation for this call. The Anglican the existence for years now. That's good. That's good. And I want to tell you that we meet in the Civil Church. Second of every month. Yes. There's never been issues and deal. Sorry? This is the Neri community, but it's not what I think that they're on the going round. I tried to pull Tesla, but I don't know where it is. I haven't seen it yet. Did you see it? From the other one. Hello, sir. You're live. So, first, can you introduce yourself to us? Tell us who you are and your title. Oh, you can say you're live. It's fine.
My name is Ferdinand. Someone was the one from
Anambra State. Yeah. And how are you finding the Festival of Arts and Culture this year?
I think it's better than the previous year.
Yes.
I've been coming for the past 4 years. And this year seems to be better.
Yes.
I really enjoy it.
Fantastic.
Very well organized.
That's good. Has your community already done a march past?
Yeah, we can.
Are you guys going to win this year?
We hope so.
Okay, I hope so.
We are able to play our live band.
Oh, you have the live band?
No, not live band, not that way. Yeah, our music.
That's your music.
Yeah, the cultural
Okay.
music.
Why weren't you allowed to play this year?
Not that we're not allowed
You
to
didn't
play.
bring it.
We didn't bring it.
Oh, what about your masquerade? You don't bring it.
We didn't bring them, but let's
Oh, that's good. That's good.
organize.
Oh, that's fantastic. Please, though. You go to the street, so that's one sir. No. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How are you finding this?
Organization since 2012. So about 10 years now. Because this is the 10th anniversary. We thank God for
thank you. So tell us your name. What's your name? Your state?
My name is Wilson. One
That's the state.
I'm the founder of Socrates Band. So we promote Igbo highlight music.
Okay. Original.
Yes, we travel all over the country. Real life, highlight music.
Fantastic. The music is impressive. And the dress is also beautiful. Tell us your community, where you are from.
Now, how are you? I'm from
What's the name of your community? Are you representing?
Oh, I dress.
Okay, you are representing.
Yes, I'm
You're going to tell us about your community when we get there, yeah? It's not where the music is. Okay, so we're going to you were saying something? About people part the festival in Edinburgh. Arts and Culture Festival. It's got good on the TV, not a 5G TV thing. You know the one that yeah, it's very busy. There's lots of people there. They don't have one question. It's very busy, very busy. Hey, Mali. This is what you do now. Can I go to get something? Please, let's stop today. Good afternoon, sir. What's your name and your title, sir? I'm not sure. You're Royal Madison. Yes, sir. Fantastic. This is from Abia State. That's where your mom is from. That's your everything there. That's the sir. How are you finding the day?
Well, it's a great day. I love it. This is my first one of coming.
It's your first time?
Right.
I've been there a few times now. It's lovely. Make sure you come every year. Yes?
I love it.
It's lovely. We have to celebrate our arts, our culture, and our history. And we bring it to the children, the younger generation, so it can continue forever, sir. What are you, sir? Thank you very much. What's your name and your title and your community, please?
My name is His Royal Majesty SFN Royal UK1 Autonomous Community, aka Oroifuano Majesty. Today we have a new idea. Okay. So the new idea happened to attract students. Okay. Each one of them is being part of IFAN.
Okay. So how are you finding the next year? How do you find the whole day?
Very beautiful. I was here last year.
Yes, I think I remember seeing
and I had a program. I asked that I come again, give the good time, trusted, and the road. Okay, my brother, my senior brother. I remember only. I saw what I'm seeing here. I see about a little house for this year. We have a wonderful day.
the celebrations there, and we love the outfit, and we love where you're going to sir.
No problem. Thank you. I never expect anything of you. And we get on again.
Thank you so much.
Very clear.
Hello, madam. Coming to you live on Prime TV. What's your name and what your title and your community and state, please?
My name is Betty. I'm wife of Royal Highness.
Okay. And madam? Yes, go ahead. Yes. Your name,
My name is Lady Esme Paul.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, let's go opportunity to explain. My name is HRM Florence from Red Carpet. Yes, so yeah, Hawaii Majesty International. It's a wine. I used to drink my wine. And I'm Judy Kakota, aka Phoenix. I'm the queen of Nollywood. Yes, sir. So I'm an actor, filmmaker, and a producer. I'm a queen, so I represent all. She's a queen. We represent all this time. We love people culture. We love coming out. Everything about it is just fantastic. Yeah, that's right. That was fantastic because we are seeing new faces. Yeah, it's 10 years anniversary. Yeah, 10 years is not a joke. It's not a joke. Yeah, 10 years anniversary. Yeah, we are seeing new faces. Yeah, it's so fantastic. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we are doing a great job. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. She's a model and and a plus size model. I'm an actress. I'm a rebel. I'm a vegetable. I'm a I'm also the first vice of Kanu. I'm the best serious. Lovely to see you too. It's always lovely to see you. Yeah, you're always around here. It's lovely to see you. Thank you. How are you? Good. It's nice to see you. I know.
I don't know anybody there. The staff of all the things yesterday. The staff of all the things. They put it out. Last year, you were there. Yeah, on July. The town hall. Can this hold what I wanted? You let me go. We still have a long way to go. But at least not people there.
The London time. When the guys in our where will stand? Where pitch everywhere. No, fully then. Ogiri will stand. More I want up. That's what that.
What the combine and the other side, he didn't to see a woman. If I was you, then I get back. If I were not supposed to leave, but I want to Randy see people. I'm going to continue. There are well now. He's the only but I'm not going to go over the young guy. I said, I was never but I'm moving up there. I want to let you woman on the other side. We say, oh, now, yeah. What else is going on? I was lying. But I opened the bangle. Why in a queen? In the line, yeah, I was in the line. I am a permanent. I know more from a man. Oh, yes, you know, London now. So I don't think evidence stand. There are more members. You for another video over the back. That's the request. Go back actually. I want to know I'm all go. I don't let me see I was go. That was it that come up from Makala Yalaka. This is Ronya. Rebuy. Over registration can't have registration. When there was no moon night, then we find it. Also, but I went more with the iron. I want to go there. I want to know. I want to never okay, about this. So, as you know, idea. I was lying. Just for the people that can't speak Igbo. No, don't worry about that. It's an Igbo event. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. Don't worry. Let's go to the next thing. It's an Igbo event. Don't worry about it. Let's take the mark 5. Yeah, we're going to go one by one. Don't worry about it. This is not an Igbo. No, the question I want to ask is private television. That's the board Yoruba. It's an Igbo event, so you can. He knows what to do. You're going to do it in English.
Nwanne m nwoke chere otu akọwado unu ife anyị gara ebe a ime n'ọka ọ na-adị mma anyị na-akpụrịkọtasị onwe anyị na-amụta omenala nna anyị ka nọ na gboo anyị wee melie wee pụtata tinye mmadụ ya na ya bụ mmadụ ya bụ na mmadụ n'ike wee nọkọ wee nwa aṅụrị ka ndụ na-aka mma ọ na-abụ ọdị amụtachasie etu anụ ibu mmadụ ọkọnata n'ọnya bụ ife anyị bụrụ obi na ya na-amụ ife ọkụ n'obodo niile dị na ala Igbo anyị na-asụkọrịtasị onwe anyị etu a anyị were ya na-aga n'iru anyị were elu ụlọ anyị ama ife anyị esi na nke anyị na-eme n'ụlọ si na nke anyị mụtara na ya bụ ije anyị pụtara anyị were elu ebe anyị ọkpọkọ ọ dịrị anyị mma wee na-asị na ọ ya adịrị anyị Igbo mma dị n'ogidi mma dịrị anyị na ezinụlọ anyị mma ekene m unu
What the importance of obedience and so what down? What's the importance of believing in the community? Don't worry about it. Can't answer that question. Nobody can answer. What are you telling me about their community? Ask him.
It's a lovely event there. Fantastic. I'm really enjoying this event this year, but I haven't had anything to eat, so I'm not happy. I haven't had anything to eat. Nothing to do. I need to eat what I need to do. Okay, don't worry. I'll set something up. Yeah, I'll be great. I'm going around. Let me go around. Let's go around to people ambassadors. Let's go to sit down. And people ambassadors. Just run around and see the masquerade. See a masquerade. This is your people. I said I will come and find you. Thank you. I am back home. What do you think of the event so far? How is it going for you? Which community are you representing?
Many people around us are never especially our children and our home here. A lot of them doesn't come out. This is the second. We have a lot of our daughters that go Can you tell me anything about the outfit? What's the significance of the brothers?
Oh, this. Oh, this is. I know that. Yeah. So you got that. Yeah, that's the thing. So that's Let's see if it's too hard. We need to so the atmosphere will be high. So you might get too excited. Are you recording it? You know your hand is too fast. Your hand is too fast. Let's move this up. Don't worry about that. You know?
So I think we need to know what your profession is and see what the profession is telling you about and see what the profession is telling us and see whether you get advice from your team. So now your process is very hard. Very, very hard. So you need to subscribe to that and see to review your meditation because your aspirant, you said that you are your process meditation. So it's important that you do this. So very hard. So you need to subscribe. No, not the that you need to start by
What will be the pressure of this making it higher now? The goal is more than that.
I'm not sure, but the thing is this, you need to sit for your professor and say, but if you feel comment Thank you very much.
Where are you reporting from? Right.
Are you part of them?
Yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. I don't know what it is. It's not. Oh, I'll come look at this one. You imagine these people don't go, they can do traffic. Just say they can take from here. No, but it's clear. They can take from here. Just when you buy it, it comes from.
I'll send it to you. I don't send it to you. Thank you.
Well, since I'm in the one or two things. Let me not just keep it. We are the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture 2025 IFAC, and we closely covered it by Prime View Television. Joining me to end this show is Femi Oke, DG of A Better Nigeria. We've had wonderful time today. I'm sure you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed myself. All the people I interviewed today and Femi interviewed today, love it. I must tell you, if I'm not Igbo, I don't know what else I can do. Have a good night, everyone. Bye. I've just ended it.